The name's Parrot. Cute Parrot. I'm a private investigator, and I was out to lunch with my partner Spud. I was getting bored, fed up with sitting there, so I picked up my binoculars.
Something very suspicious is going on over there. Yes, I think something is very wrong. What do you think, Spud?
Spud is one of the strong, silent type. He doesn't talk much, but he's great, even fabulous for sniffing for clues.
Ma'am, are you okay?
Someone stole my golden bracelet.
It was the old someone stole my golden bracelet case. I'd had many in the past. I was wondering if I should just go back to the car and finish my lunch. But the eyes on the woman's face got large, like puppy dog eyes, so I couldn't resist.
Show me your house, ma'am. Come on, Spud.
I sat on the porch and began my good cop, bad cop routine. Or rather, I did the good cop, only cop routine.
Ma'am, where was the last time you saw your golden bracelet?
I put it in my jewelry box, but when I came back to work, it was gone.
Her story was as thick as flies, whatever that means. I decided I need to take a closer look at the scene of the crime.
Ma'am, show me the jewelry box. It's empty.
Vacant, as bare as an oyster shell on the beach. As I looked at the box, I had two thoughts. One, my tomato sandwich was probably getting bad. And two, my case just got harder.
Well, it's a good thing that I always keep my handy-dandy magnifying glass.
So I searched, I stared, and I gazed at every shelf. I scrutinized and examined the drawers, but the golden beads stayed hidden. It was then that I saw her, and it gave me a shock.
Ma'am, I found your joy.
Miss Kitty, the fiendish feline, sat firmly on the desk, admiring herself in the golden beads. The vain pussycat had been stealing jewelry for a long time, and now her crime had finally caught up with her.
Ma'am, I found it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Don't worry, ma'am. On a good day's work.
As I walked back to my car, I was thinking about my tomato sandwich and my case. More the sandwich than the case.
That was a mighty fine case. What is it, Spud? 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 Spud?
I guess my detective work is never done.
Where's the ma'am? Ma'am. Wait, what was I supposed to say? Oh yeah. Okay.
Sadie, look at me. Hi.
Go. Ma'am, where was the last time you saw me? Your golden bracelet.
Stop laughing.
What do you think, Spud? Your hat fell off.